Today what I want to do is make a couple of gifts for my friends. And I want to try to do it from one board. So let's go over here to the scrap bin and see what kind of wood we got in here. Oh yes, this is hardwood. All right, y'all, it's almost 30 inches. And I think that would be perfect to get 2 gifts out of this one board. We're gonna make our first cut at 14.5 inches. I want to do is cut this board at a 22.5 degree angle. See the markings there? 0, of course, is a straight cut, 90 degree. And then you can cut it all the way up to a 45 degrees. All right, and so what we're going to be doing is making this right here, 22.5 degrees. That we have that angle cut in the wood that we want, what we need to do is next drill a hole in here, but I need to make sure I get it centered and bring the center of the hole down 2 3/4 inches. This is where we will drill our hole. I've chosen a 1 3/8 inch Forstner bit for this one. I've got my material clamped down. And as you can see, a perfect hole. We just need to clean that up with a little bit of sandpaper. The reason why I put another piece of wood down there, as you can see, it drilled into that a little bit, is it reduces the amount of tear out. Also, if you can see those beautiful shavings, I'm the type of woodworker that likes to keep those. That's beautiful, and it smells good too. The tack cloth is used to remove dust and fine particles, because if you don't take that off when you go to finish it, it'll be ruined. Finishing wax brings out the grain of the wood. See how pretty that is? We're gonna see if everything worked out. Remember that angle I was talking about? Check that out. Look, Ma, no hands. How cool is that? No hands. It even rocks and stays there. Number 2. Remember the other half of that long board? Since this is going to be the second gift we're making, what we need to do is make a center hole and 2 holes on the end here. And I've done a little bit of measuring, but for the camera's sake, this is 14.5 inches long, and so half of that would be 7 1/4 inches, and I made a mark here, and then I measured here. It's 5.5 inches long, and so that would give me 2 3/4 inches, and I made another mark, and that is how I came up with my center point. And then I just took my speed square and made a line right there, and I did the same here. I came in 2 inches from the side, made a mark, 2 3/4, made a mark, and that is how I got that hole and this one for our next project. All right, so can you guess now where we're going? Yay, to the drill press. So follow me over. That's a 1 3/8 Forstner bit. Forstner bit. Can't talk today. Okay, and I'm going to change out the bit, and you'll get to see me do that. We're going to use this, and we're going to put it in our chuck right here. And what that does is loosen it up. See that drop down? Okay. Make sure it's tight. Give it a little tug, and we're good. Now that we have a hose cut, what we need to do is just make a couple lines here, and we'll cut these out with our skill saw. I left this particular notch right here so that the glass can't easily just fall out. It'll have to overcome that, even when it's upside down. It can't just slide out. It has to overcome that little angle there. Now we'll just do the same thing on the other side. Nicely polished, finished. Hi y'all, I'm Tanya from her workshop. Today we made a couple of nice little gifts from one board. And what I want to say to y'all is that anything that I make on this channel, y'all can do it too. When you make something with your own hands, it gives you a real good sense of pride. So I feel good about the 2 projects that we did today. Every time you watch one of my videos, I really do hope that you learn something. Give me a like, share, give me a comment, let me know how I'm doing, or if there's something that you'd like to see. And think about subscribing to my channel so you don't miss the next thing that I might come up with. Thank you so much once again, and I really do appreciate everything. Bye now.